Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a Maniology mani. I'm going to use Thriller and Ghoulish and the last two plates I got from them in my Mani Me box. I'll be using On the Black by Braves Diva, and this is Ghoulish. It was in the last Mani Me box I got, and this one is Thriller. I love both of these polishes. They're gorgeous. This one's kind of like that funky chartreuse green, kind of yellow, kind of green, but it's got all that shimmer and in it. So I've got the, I was saying I was stamping with On the Black, but no, I'm painting my nails with it. I'm losing it. Hi, Woody. How you doing? It's just a great one coat black. So if you're stamping, it's great. And if you're wearing a black mani, ooh, yes, I highly recommend it. And it's got a great formula. I mean, you can see I'm not struggling with it. It's not pooling. It's not running down the side of my nails. It's excellent. And by the way, I'm going to have to work on it, but Braves Diva is no more. It is now called Bases Loaded Lacquer. Y'all will catch me messing up for months to come, I'm sure. Look how pretty that pink is. Thriller is my kind of polish. Got that hollow goodness going on. So pretty. I'm going to top all of this with some Pro FX the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat that you can't even find anymore. I know you guys are waiting for me to run out so we can see what's next. I haven't found anything I like as good as it, though, I can tell you. As far as my in-between layers top coat, this has hands down been my favorite. I can't even tell you how many bottles of it I've gone through. It's insane. And thankfully, I have a wonderful friend who sent me a couple of bottles, and those are what I'm working on now. Ooh, I had to break out the cleanup brush real quick. I saw something drive me crazy. Got to get that cleaned up while I'm thinking about it. You guys know how I work. I clean as I go most of the time. These polishes, though, this month's box was just awesome. So here are those polishes on their own. We'll be using Maniology MXM039 and 040 today. These are Halloween plates. And it's like Pet Cemetery, which I wasn't really excited about, but now that I'm playing with them, I'm much better. and I do see a time and a place that I could totally use them. I've got the blue film off, and I'm going to go ahead and clean them with some acetone real quick. Wipe them over with a paper towel. And then we're going to use my cube stamper and my Maniology scraper and all those same polishes for stamping. I'm going to put, I'm going to use the Thriller and the Ghoulish over the black nails. Yes, we are. Going to roll it right on there. And look how good that stamps. Oh, loved it. It just makes me happy. And then we're going to go in with Thriller, and it's stamped really good too. I love polishes that can have multi-purposes. They're good as a polish or good as a stamping polish. Yes, bling bling. I am cleaning these plates off with my acetone. There's no acetone additive or anything in there, just pure acetone. And then I wipe it over with a paper towel. And now on to the other plate. I've picked a couple of images, and I'm just going to stamp them in black over Thriller and Ghoulish. I'm going to use a little piece of tape here to get up this extra of the image I don't want on my nails. And then we're just going to roll that onto the nail. Or mush it, however you want to look at it. I kind of roll, I kind of mush, I kind of do a little bit of all of it. And then I couldn't pass up these clouds with like the circle, which I'm picturing as the moon. Like a big, wide moon. We'll see. We'll see how it looks. So, I go to stamp this, and I stamp down, And then I realize I've got extra stuff on the stamper, so I'll go ahead and use it. So there we have it. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up this excess off my skin the best I can. There we go. It came up pretty good. I always like it when it works like that. I am going to go in with my cleanup brush because I just cannot help myself. I always do this step. It's just habit. I am going to top it all off with some of the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Speaking of Maniology, if you go and shop there, I do have a discount code down in the description box. It'll get you 10% off your order. There's some more information down there too, so if you want to go check it out. And here we go. Going to get these all top coated with that. And I am a Maniology ambassador, so I do get a little bit of a kickback. And what I do with that money, I purchase more Maniology stuff to share with you here on my channel. So that is what happens. It's not a ton of money. So that's my manicure. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.